Okay, cantaloupe harvest, by the way. Let me put this down. Got 3 off the vine today, and they have got decimated by something, man. I do not know. It's probably still in there looking at you right now. I'm gonna cut it open and show y'all. This just holes everywhere. The skin did not protect it at all. I tried to put pantyhose on this one, but the pantyhose was too small and they just ate into the top. So doesn't look like we're gonna have any successful ones coming anymore. We've had 2 successfuls and they taste good as hell, but we had so many of them that have gotten eaten. So I gotta figure that out next year when I do cantaloupes. This is my last one that doesn't appear to be touched. Oh, sorry. This is the one last one that doesn't appear to be touched. So let's make sure to cover this one up more, because we want to actually get one more out of here. But as you can see, they're kind of drying up the leaves, so it's not that long before these things just die off. So I'm guessing right now I would say that cantaloupes are definitely harder to grow than watermelons, because my watermelons, nothing is eating them. Like nothing is eating my watermelons, but they just love cantaloupe. So that'll probably be my last time growing cantaloupes, unless I figure out how to protect them. Here's my sugar baby watermelons. Here's one on right here. As you see, nothing has touched it. Not one thing has touched this. Little baby one right there. And then another small one right there. So, yeah, man. End of harvest for the cantaloupes today. Hopefully that'll make it, but I'm not gonna do a video on that one. Yeah, it looks pretty gross, right? It's like they just eat into it, then they poop it outside of the freaking cantaloupe. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. I'm out. Peace. Second video of what may be the last harvest of 2018 for my cantaloupes. First video, you'll see that we got some bug marks on all of these 3. There's one more left on the plant that hasn't been touched, so I'm trying to cover it up all the way with pantyhose. But these weren't so lucky, so let's cut into them. I can't cut them into them with one hand, so I'm gonna put the camera down for 1 second. And I'm gonna cut all 3, by the way. Ooh, that's gross. Ooh, that's very gross. Alright, so as you see what just happened, this whole middle just completely fell out. Let me unzoom, it's a little too zoomed. But yeah, the whole middle just completely fell out when I cut it, which that has not happened to me. So, I mean, obviously these aren't ripe. So they're underripe. And see that one, we have the bug right there squirming around, right? So these are definitely unedible. I'm not touching these. They are gross. But yeah, man, last freaking harvest of 2018 probably. Hopefully I'll get another one from the cantaloupe that's still on there, but it's not looking too good. Whatever it is out here is really loves cantaloupes. Don't care for watermelons, but loves cantaloupes. So yep, that's what we got. Alright guys, I'm out. Peace. I guess it was just a bad day in the garden today. Here's 3 watermelons. Got hit with the end rot. Got destroyed by the end rot. Here's one more. But it's plenty more good ones on the vine, so we'll be fine. In the long run, we'll get about 5 or 6 good ones off this vine, so it's okay.